For any video surveillance appliance, software is just as important as the hardware. Pairing BCD's REVOLV Hybrid Hyperconverged Infrastructure (HHCI) with Genetec Security Center Video Management System gives you a total solution for today and for tomorrow. Follow me and you will see. Welcome to the Harmonize Stream Vault plugin video demonstration, brought to you by BCD International and Genetec. Harmonize. Security becomes IT ready. We begin inside of Genetec Security Center. Our first step is to open the Monitoring tab at the top left. Selecting Monitoring opens into a 4-screen window. Select the main server and then the local server to reveal the Harmonize icon. Select the Harmonize server logo and drag it onto an open window. This will open the main Harmonize server window. The Harmonize server opens to the first telemetry point, which is cooling. There are 6 telemetry points: CPU information, storage, which when selected shows controllers, status of physical drives and SSD drives, power, network devices, and memory. We can monitor in real time the status of any of the systems within Harmonize by grabbing the Harmonize server icon and dragging it down onto the monitoring icon at the bottom of the page. To reveal the monitoring area, grab the top of the screen area and pull down. Pulling down reveals the events area. Select the storage telemetry button. Select the PERC hard drive controller. This currently shows 4 hard drives, all in OK status. By pulling one hard drive, we have created an alarm event. The server window is red, and the failed drive event has appeared. A new tab has also appeared, showing alarms as auto-triggered and requiring us to forcibly acknowledge the alarm. Reopening the Monitoring tab and PERC controller, we see the 4th drive is now in critical condition. This is just one example of the power of Stream Vault and Harmonize. Phew! Always makes me a bit dizzy. All that telemetry and information, it is all available to you through your Security Center software. And that is just one example of the power of Security Center and Harmonize. See you soon!